Cambodia, millions of young people are dream of better future. But for many, that future is hard to reach. According to the Ministry of Education, Youth and Sport, in 23 to 24, only 44.3% of Cambodian youth are enrolled in upper secondary schools, while 13.7% will drop out before they finish. Without skill, without guidance, without opportunity, where do they go? JWOC saw this challenge and we created a solution. Launched in 2020, the Better Future program is a youth development initiative designed to prepare young Cambodians aged of 15 to 30 for the real employment and confident future. Inside the program, students learn the skills that matter most. We provide English language, digital literacy, financial literacy, work readiness, and leadership life skills.
Before I joined JWOC program, I did not know where should I go or what should I do after I finished my high school. But after I joined JWOC program, I did learn a lot, and also they gave me direction, confidence, and real skills that I use every day too.
When I finished high school, I was scared to start working, but now I'm confident to start my work and I can do something.
To that, the Better Future program has supported 348 young Cambodians, helping them build confidence, find directions, and take their next step. As we are celebrating over 20 years, I would like to invite all of our donor supporters to join our great celebrations on November 8, 2026. Click the link below to register and join us.